You want to recover lost sales automatically when someone abandons their cart. In this video, I will show you how to build the abandoned cart automation in GoHighLevel. So you can bring back leads and increase the revenue without manual follow-up. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to use the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel, the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link and let's get back to the video. Now to make this automation, you have to log in your account in this GoHighLevel. So once you are inside the GoHighLevel, just click on this automation here, and from here just click on this create workflow button and go with this start from scratch. First of all, just change this workflow name. Now click on this add new trigger and search for the order form submission. Now click on this filter and go with this funnel or website, and from here just select your page. So I have a shop here, this one, easy shop. Then click on this add funnel again and then click on this submission type and make sure you select this one, this opt-in, okay, not sell or upsell. So opt-in, then click on this save trigger. Now click on this plus icon here to set an action and just give it a time. Let's say I want to give it a 5 minutes break. Okay, now click on this save action. Now click on this plus icon again here and search for the which one you want to send the abandoned notify, like the email, the SMS or WhatsApp or anything you want to use. So in this video I'm going to go with this send email. I want to send email, so just you can give it a name from your business mail obviously, and write your email here like, hey, this is your coupon code or the discounted offer. So don't say this kind of, you know how to market all of these things. So just write your email message here and just save this. So I have wrote this mail and then I'm just clicking on this save. Now here just click on this save. Then this is not finished, so you need to go back and create a new workflow, because if the workflow is set like this, then it will send everyone, like the people who bought the product from your website, they will also receive this email. So we are going to remove them who already purchased the product. So to do that, just create a new workflow and let's change this name here for this workflow. So just change the name and click on this add new and do the same thing, the order from submission, and here add a filter and go with this in funnel and click on this like easy shop, this one. Then again add a new filter and here just set for this submission type, and this time you need to select this one, sell. So then just click on this save trigger. Okay, so this trigger will only work for them who already purchased the product. Now click on this little plus icon here to add an action and search for the remove and select this one, remove from workflow, and here just select this one, another workflow, and select the workflow we have created earlier, this abandoned cart. So then click on this save action here. So what this workflow will work, so if someone already purchased the product, it will remove them from the workflow we have created earlier for the abandoned cart message. So you can create a new action here. Let's say I want to send an email by saying thank you. Okay, so just do all of this thing, your details, and right here, thanks for the purchase. Okay, that's it, and then click on this save and it will automatically work for you. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily create the abandoned cart message or cart automation. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.